Maharashtra government continues its crackdown in connection with the riots that rocked Nagpur last week after the arrest of the so-called key accused, Fahim Khan. The much-maligned bulldozer justice has begun. The civic authorities today demolished unauthorized and illegal portions of Fahim Khan's house. This, remember, after the riot accused allegedly failed to comply with the 24-hour deadline given by the Nagpur Municipal Corporation. The demolition work was carried out amid heavy security and barricading. The action also comes high on the heels of Chief Minister Fadnavis warning rioters that damage cost will be recovered from them and that the government will not shy away from using bulldozers. However, it is pertinent to note here that the demolition in this case is in direct violation to the Supreme Court's Pan-India order on guidelines for demolition drives. The top court had made it clear that a 15-day period must be given to the property owner before any demolition is carried out. The Supreme Court also said that the aggrieved house owner must get a fair hearing to contest the demolition. Let me go across to my colleague Rucha, who's getting us more on this. Rucha, what's the latest? What more details do you have on this?
Initially, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had mentioned that the last person, the last writer will also be facing the consequences for the things that they have done. And on 17th of March, the entire nation has seen the violence, the level of violence that was done by this particular group and are now arrested by the Nagpur police. Now, the key accused in this entire matter, Fahim Khan, is under arrest of Nagpur police, and his house, which is located at the Yashodhara Nagar, where his mother currently resides, is now being demolished by the Nagpur Municipal Corporation because of the partial structure of his house was found unauthorized, and he had been given notice previously about the same structure, and following which the Nagpur Municipal Corporation has taken this kind of action. Now, on a Saturday, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had gone to Nagpur, and after visiting there, he had clearly mentioned that the people who are responsible for the riots, who are responsible for damaging the vehicles and making chaos, will be facing the results and the cost. The funds which were wasted in this entire process will be recovered from them. If they fail to give money, the government will take their properties, will take over their lands or whatever they own, and will recover the funds. They won't be spared, is what Devendra Fadnavis has clarified. Okay. And he had also mentioned that the government will not shy to use a bulldozer wherever necessary. And following the Yogi government's pattern, we are seeing at Nagpur that bulldozers are now being used and the action is now being taken on the accused's house, right, that is Fahim Khan.
All right, Rucha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us the latest.